So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab. Okay, and just open the Looker incognito window. If you have any existing windows open, like you completed any labs earlier, you can just close the existing video and restart again. Now just enter the details from here to here and just click on stay logged in and login. Now after that we have to the first step. What we have to do, enable the development mode. So you can see this option, just click on it to enable it and the page will reload itself. Now here we have to do some of the manual step. So how will we doing? First of all, come to the develop and then we have to open the SQL runner. Come over here, you can see this, just click on it. Now the page will reload itself. Now from here we have to make some changes, so just stay tuned. So once the page is open, you can see here the settings icon. Click on search public projects. Simply come to the lab instruction, task number 1. From here you can see we have to just type cloud training demos. Now just again come back here and from here just enter it and hit enter. And now from the drop down we have to select the look underscore e-commerce. So from here just come down and just select this one. Now once you have selected this particularly, okay, once you have selected this particularly, now we'll be moving towards the next step. So once you have done this, wait for some time. Now just come over here and you can see this order items. Click on this gear icon and just click on select 10. Once you have done this, run the query. It will again take some time for the query to get generated. You can see the output has been successfully generated. Now what we need to do, we have to just come over here and you can see the order items again. You can see this order items again. Now from here, wait a second. So just come over here again to the order items and just click on this explore table on open on a new tab. Now wait for this page to fully open first of all. Now once you see the output is generated, come over here again and from here only you can see these queries. Okay, here are the queries which are mentioned from 2 number. Just run the query one by one, replace it, run it like this. Similarly, here is the query again, copy it, replace it, run it like this. Once you have done this, now the third query is here, replace it, run it like this and click on run button. So once you have done, you have to simply check the score for task number 1. And if you have followed the way I have done, you'll surely get the score. Now let's move ahead to task number 2. Now for task number 2, come back again to the looker page. Come over here, right click, open on a new tab and follow carefully. Now from here, just go to develop and click on Qwiklabs Looker. Now here we have to create a view. So just wait for it to fully load. Now once you are here, click on this view, click on these 3 dots, click on create view. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. You have to just copy the name from here and just paste it like this, create a view and just paste the entire content, whatever I have shared in that view. Okay, just select it, save it, commit production. You can type any message over here like it, like the video and simply subscribe the channel. Once you have committed, you have to click on deploy to production. So once you have clicked on deploy to production, if you are getting this git error, then simply click on this and here you can see deploy to production, just click on it. Now once it is done, you'll be able to see that this has been successfully done. If you get the error again, run it again. Now let's come over here and simply check the score for task number 2 also. And many of you are asking how to enable this yellow check my progress bar. So for that you need to check the video description. I've shared everything. Now just check the score. And you can clearly see we have got the score without any issue. Now we'll be moving forward towards the task number 3. Now come back again. Wait a second. Let's Come back again to here, and here you can see this Qwiklabs Looker model. Now from here we have to update the Looker model again. For that also you have to just come above, I mean down, and here you have to update the looker model. So carefully you have to update the looker model. How you have to do, just come over here and paste it. Once you have done this, save it and just commit any message and deploy to production. So you can type any message, there is no restriction, and after that simply click on deploy to production. Now you're not getting any error over here, then simply check the score for the task. Now let's come above on the, wait a second, why it's not working. Okay, so let's check the score for third task. Third task. You can scroll down and come also and check it. So finally you can see we have got the score for task. Now for task number 4, again come over here and just copy it and come to the order items page, and here you have to replace entire content and just save changes, commit and just push it. You can type any message and just simply deploy to production. Once you have done this, okay, once you have done this, come back again and simply check the score for task number 4. Now task number 5 is very easy. We'll cover it also. Do not worry. Just keep hitting check my progress and redo the lab if you are unable to get the score. Now let's move ahead to the last task. Now for task number 5, again in the GitHub repo, come down over here, copy this name from here and just come over here and you can see this view, 3 dots, create view, paste the name over here and the entire content you have to copy it and just replace it. Now once you have done this, save again, commit to production, I mean commit and dispatch, type any random message and do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query you can let me in the comment section. Now once you see it's up to date, just simply check the score. Okay, just simply check the score, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. If you have any query, you can comment down below or you can just reach out to my social media handles. So this is the way we have completed the lab, and thank you. Have a great day ahead.